How to select seats on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can select seats on Singapore Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first way is to log in into Singapore Airlines official website. Once you're on the website, by the top right corner, you can see the Singapore Airlines logo, and then you can see other tabs as well. Then once you can see this, scroll down to the parts of the screen where you can see some tabs, which includes book trip, manage booking, check-in, flight status, flight schedule. And then go ahead and select book flight. So now you can now go ahead to select your current location as well as your destination. So just try to select your destination. So for example, you could just type out, let's say, Washington DC, US of America, and then select the departure date, okay, as well as a return date. Let's try it out again. And then once you're done, go to your class. Now, selecting the class that you want is very, very important if you want to select a seat in advance in Singapore Airlines. For example, now, if you choose economy, you cannot, on most occasions, you might not be able to select a seat in advance for free, but you can only do so by paying a certain amount of money. Alright, but for premium economy, you can select a seat for free, whereas for first suite and business, you can always select seats for free. So it is always advisable to go for first suite or business in order to have a good experience. And then select the number of passengers, then click on search to search out flights that will be available for those days that you've chosen on your flight booking. So after choosing the flights, you'll be brought on that page. If the flights for those days that you selected is available, it will be displayed here. But if not, as you can see on my screen, I've been asked to choose alternative dates, so I can just go ahead and change my dates now. Note that this is just an example. Okay, so just go ahead, select it, click on next, and then wait for it to load again. So once it is done loading, you can see lowest available fare. You can see details about the first flight, which is your departure flight, as well as your returning flight. And then once you can see this and it's fine by you, the next thing you can do is to just go ahead and select it. Alright, select first flight to view fares, and then once you're done, you'd click select, and then go back to the second trip as well. Click on the option that you can see there. You can now see the fare conditions. When you click baggage, you can see seat selection complimentary. That means that you can always select a seat in advance. And then once you can see this, click on select, and then you can now see a further summary of your flights. Then go ahead and click on proceed, click confirm, and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you will be brought to another page where you will be brought to the passengers page. Here you'll be asked to fill in details about the passenger, and then the next thing once you are done is that you'll be taken to the seat selection stage. This is where the main business is. On the seat selection page, you can now go ahead and select any seats of your choice. Seats is already available in your package as a first suite flyer. Do you understand? Yeah, so that's how it works. Okay, just ensure you choose the right kind of class, follow through the processes, read through the flight details and all, progress from the passenger details, go to your seat, and then go ahead and make your seat selection. So this is how it works. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.